Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah. I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm really excited. We're going to be unboxing the eero 7 dual band mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see the box. It's kind of heavy. Definitely need to get in the gym more. This weighs about probably I would say 12 pounds. It's pretty hefty, but I'm really excited. There's 3 of them in this box. It's like I said, it's a mesh system, so I'm really excited to get this hooked up and ready to go. So overall first impressions, the box is really sleek, really pretty. I love this green. I like that the system is placed perfectly on the front of the box. Nice display. On the back side of the box, it also has pictures in real time of what they look like in a household. So that's really great to see. I'm really excited to unbox this. Definitely really stoked with the way that it looks. You guys know how I feel about minimalistic design. I hate antennas for routers. This looks really beautiful. Definitely gives Google Nest energy. On the side, it tells you what's included. So we should have 3 eero 7 routers. There should be 3 power adapters and 1 Ethernet cable. So I'm gonna make sure that everything is in the box as stated. It also gives you some nice features on the side that they want you as the consumer to be aware of. So for example, it discusses the WPA3 and WPA2 wireless encryption security systems, which is nice. Also tells you what kind of ports it supports and what kind of frequency bands and channel widths it has. Standard 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands, which is really nice. And they also have some other features on the back and just some, marketing jargon, just why they're different, key differentiators. We love to see those. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. Ooh, okay, she's pretty, right? When we open it, look how sleek and shiny. So there's 2 right on the top. I'm assuming the other one is somewhere beneath. So first, eero. Second. Ooh, what's this? Okay, awesome. So right on the box, they have a QR code. Super easy if you have a smartphone. This is the best way to set up any kind of mesh system, any kind of router that you end up getting. You can just scan the QR code to get started, and it has step-by-step instructions. It does look like we have to download the eero app, and it does recommend that you disconnect and unplug the modem from the power source. I have expressed this in other videos. Just make sure before you set up any kind of system, you want to unplug your modem, do a hard reset on any of the routers that you purchase, and make sure everything is kind of set to ground zero before you set up. That way you'll run into minimal issues. Ooh, okay, awesome. And then here is the third eero 7 right below, and it looks like we have all 3 of our power adapters and our Ethernet cable, which is right here, nicely tied and compact and put in there. We have our 3 power adapters right here, and we have our third eero. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out of the box. If I can, they're nice and snug in there, which is good for shipping purposes. And on the bottom of this flap that separates the routers, it has the warranty, safety, and legal statement, and it also has the product specs and the fine print if you are curious and want to read through those. So it looks like everything is in place and we're not missing anything. Overall, a really easy unboxing, super simple, super clean. Definitely gives Google Nest energy. I'm really excited to get this set up and plugged in and see how it performs. All right, thanks guys.